These really soft tortillas are made by my daughter. So,
in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make flour tortillas. I make tortillas pretty much every day, and I'm going to be showing you guys my technique. First, we need 4 cups of flour. After the flour, we put in 1 tablespoon of salt. I like using the pink Himalayan salt. After that, we're going to be putting in 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Now I want to mix everything really well. Our next ingredient is going to be fat. I have used olive oil before. I love using bacon grease if we have it. The only thing we have today is lard. The amount we're using is probably about 1 cup. Maybe a cup and a half. Maybe a cup and a half. Maybe a cup and a half. Now you want to work this really well with your hands. When you grab the dough and it holds its shape like this, but it falls apart when you press on it like this, then you know you're ready for the next step. No matter what type of flour you use, or if you use oil or lard, the technique is always the same. Next, we're going to bring it to the mixer and start adding in our water. It's important to add just a little at a time. By the way, the temperature of the water should be warm. If you see the flour on the side of the bowl, make sure to scrape it off. If you see that the dough is still too dry, add in a little bit of water. I always add in more water than my mom tells me to, and it comes out better than hers.
yep, it's true. I like her tortillas better than I like mine. After the masa is fully mixed, we want to cover it and let it sit for about a half an hour.
Knead it for 10 minutes.
You'll notice that the dough should be sticking very well onto the hook and cleaning itself off of the bottom of the bowl. And you'll know that it's pretty much done at this point. You want your dough to be really soft, and if you pull it or push it, you don't want it to bounce back because that would mean it's too elastic and it's going to shrink back up and you're going to have a hard tortilla. So you want your dough to be very, very soft like this. Y ahora vamos a echar las tortillas.
I put on a lot of flour and then I start rolling it out because if I don't, it's going to stick everywhere. I take a piece of dough and I flatten it and put it in the flour. Next, I roll it back and forth. After that, I sprinkle a little bit of flour and then flip it over. Then I roll the other side. Then I roll it back and forth and side to side to make it thinner. Cook each side for 20 seconds on a really hot comal. And that's it. Now you guys know my secret. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Catch you later.